Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 677 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Coinbase is launching an improved prime brokerage and has signed a contract with ICE. And Bitfarms has retained LHA Investor Relations. Just before we get into the news, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. That includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, as well as many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Coinbase, which trades on the Nasdaq as COIN or Coin, has announced the official launch of its prime crypto brokerage to all institutions. This version of Coinbase Prime boasts the addition of more venues to the company's smart router, which allows clients to achieve the best available price, more assets to its custody capability, enhanced its post-trade reporting capabilities, and added to its post-trade credit financing options. An excerpt from the blog post announcing this reads, quote, "From working with our execution services team to assess market conditions to crypto-native features like staking and governance, Coinbase Prime has the tools and services institutions need to invest in crypto. We'll also continue investing in the future of institutional crypto by bringing the best of Coinbase to our clients. In the coming months, our teams are eager to introduce powerful solutions such as real-time market analytics and a mobile app that enables portfolio access and consensus on the go." End quote. Cointelegraph reports that Coinbase has signed a $1.36 million U.S. contract with the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, agency to develop software for the latter. More specifically, Coinbase will receive $455,000 from ICE, but as the contract could be extended for up to 3 years, the company can potentially receive the total of $1.36 million. This is Coinbase's second such contract with ICE, as it previously provided computer forensic services to the agency in a contract in August. Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq as BITF, recently retained LHA Investor Relations, an IR and strategic advisory firm, for an initial term of 6 months. According to the press release, LHA will focus on expanding market awareness for Bitfarms and conveying the company's integrated business model and global growth strategies to the institutional and retail investment communities. Bitfarms CEO Emiliano Grodzki said, quote, "Recognizing LHA's veteran presence in capital markets and deep experience with larger, high-growth companies, we believe LHA is a perfect fit for our company as we transition beyond a micro-cap company." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.